Today I'm showing you how to flip or rotate a video in CapCut on your Android device. Let's get started. Step 1. Open CapCut. Open the CapCut app on your Android phone. Step 2. Create new project. Tap New Project to start editing. Step 3. Import video. Select and import the video you want to flip or rotate from your gallery. The video appears on the timeline. Step 5. Select video. Tap on your video on the timeline to select it. A white border appears around the selected video. Step 6. Open Edit menu. At the bottom of the screen, tap Edit or Transform to access video editing options. To flip video, Step 7. Use Mirror function. In the Edit menu, find and tap the Mirror button. This flips your video horizontally from left to right. Step 8. Preview flip. The video is now mirrored. Play it to see the flipped result. To rotate video, Step 9. Use Rotate function. In the Edit menu, find the Rotate icon. It looks like a circular arrow or rotation symbol in the center. Step 10. Rotate 90 degrees. Tap the Rotate button once to rotate your video 90 degrees clockwise. Keep tapping to continue rotating in 90-degree increments until you reach your desired orientation. Step 11. Combine flip and rotate. You can use both mirror and rotate functions together if needed for your desired effect. Step 12. Export video. When satisfied with the orientation, tap the Export button in the top right corner to save your flipped or rotated video. And that's it! You've successfully flipped or rotated your video in CapCut on your Android device.